Hey, Bosco. Funny seeing you here. Beautiful day, isn't it?
It sure is. What brings you to the park?
At Boeing, our goal is to build sustainable aerospace together. And I was looking at some native plants in the park to see if we can find something to create more biodiversity at our site.
How is Boeing building sustainable aerospace?
Well, we make sure our operations are compliant with local and national environmental regulations, as well as Boeing's own internal policies and procedures. We prevent pollution by practicing energy conservation and reducing waste and, of course, recycling. We continually work as a team by finding new and improved ways to protect the environment every day. We also work together with our stakeholders, like Boeing Green Teams and local community groups, on activities that promote environmental protection and stewardship.
That's all wonderful, but what about some specific things that I can do to help build sustainable aerospace?
There are so many ways that you contribute to protecting the environment, and many more that you can integrate into your daily routine. There is spill awareness and response. As a Boeing employee, it's always important to remember your responsibility to protect our stormwater. Have you taken your stormwater training yet?
I sure did. I didn't know how important reporting and cleanup of spills was to helping Boeing protect local waterways that flow to nearby streams, rivers, and lakes.
Yes, these are some of the same waterways we enjoy outside of work. If you see a spill, report it by calling your site emergency number. And remember to never allow anything into the stormwater system other than precipitation falling from the sky.
Is there anything else I can do to protect the environment?
Of course! It's always important to properly segregate waste materials. Please don't mix general trash, recyclables, and hazardous waste together.
Is that why we have all those different colored containers throughout our locations?
Yes, it is. There are containers for collecting items such as plastics and aluminum cans, as well as containers for collecting documents that will be shredded. Use these containers to help keep items out of the landfill. In our production areas, trash should be segregated from hazardous waste. At many of our locations, Boeing has a regulatory obligation to minimize hazardous waste, so keeping trash out of the hazardous waste container helps Boeing meet this obligation. Plus, disposing of trash and hazardous waste properly helps Boeing preserve our planet for future generations.
Thanks for sharing that with me, Sal, and thanks for keeping our environment clean and helping build sustainable aerospace together.